Data is all around us. It's in the phone in your pocket. It's in the apps you use every day. It even comes from the sensors in your smart devices. Data is simply information, collected and stored. Understanding its life cycle is essential in our digital world. Think of data like the stars in the cosmos. Each piece is unique, holding a tiny piece of information. Some data points are born from your actions like an online purchase. Others are created by sensors recording temperature or location. From the moment it exists, data embarks on a journey. This journey is its life cycle. Like a star, data changes over time. It's analyzed, categorized, and eventually it might even fade away. But its impact can remain, just like the light from a distant star. Data creation happens constantly. Every click, every swipe, every interaction with technology leaves a digital footprint. These footprints are data points. Let's take a simple example. You search for a recipe online. Data is created about what you searched for, when you searched, and even where you were. This data is collected and stored. But data creation isn't limited to our online actions. Scientific instruments, satellites, and even our cars generate massive amounts of data. Think of a space telescope capturing images of a distant galaxy. Each image is a treasure trove of data waiting to be explored. The sheer volume of data created every second is staggering. It's like a vast, ever-expanding digital universe. Yet within this vastness, each data point has the potential to tell a story, reveal a pattern, or unlock a new discovery. Once data is born, it needs a place to live. This is where data storage comes in. Data can be stored on your personal computer, on company servers, or in massive data centers. But storing data is just the first step. It also needs to be organized. Imagine a library with billions of books and no system for finding anything. That's why data is organized into databases, spreadsheets, and other formats. Data security is crucial. Imagine if all the information on your phone fell into the wrong hands. That's why data is protected with passwords, encryption, and other security measures. Just like we protect our valuable possessions, data needs to be safeguarded. Regular backups are like taking a snapshot of your data, ensuring that even if something happens to the original, a copy exists. Data doesn't last forever. Some data becomes outdated and irrelevant. Imagine an online store with a sale that ended months ago. That data is no longer useful and can be deleted. Deletion is like erasing a chalkboard. The data is gone from that specific location. However, traces might remain, just like faint chalk dust. Sometimes data decays on its own. Remember floppy disks? The information on them can fade over time. This decay is like the erosion of a rock formation, slowly wearing away the data it holds. Data deletion and decay are essential parts of the data lifecycle. They help us manage the overwhelming amount of data and ensure that we're only keeping what's valuable and relevant.